Today we are sharing an awesome mask for all of you to help you with uneven skin tone. The major ingredient is Jeshti Madhu or licorice. Here you can see we are using licorice powder. We use 4 teaspoons of licorice powder. Licorice is an excellent skin lightening agent and helps with aging, sunspots, pigmentation, and all skin issues. To this, we add about 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is the binding agent and is also known to give a natural glow. This simple 2 ingredient mask is really doable and can be done on everyday basis. We are mixing the 2 ingredients to form a uniform paste. In order to give it a more binding effect, we will be adding about 1 teaspoon of water to give it a paste-like application. This mask is excellent for all skin types, even the most sensitive ones. Why do you use this mask is to bring down an even skin tone and to help you with a glowing complexion. Ideally, take this mask and apply it for 20 minutes and let it dry, and then you can wash it with water and pat dry. It is best advised to use this bare minimum twice a week. It is even safe to use daily for 30 days to see phenomenal results.